We would.
We would.
We would like to introduce to you our new Oppo models.
Hi po everyone, my name is Angelo Francisco ng Oppo SM Urdaneta. Introduce ko lang po sa inyo itong pinakabago nating unit which is A52 po. So ano po bang meron dito sa A52 natin? Sa A52 po ay meron na po tayong 5,000 mAh with 18 watts. Napakabilis po niyang mag-charge. And then in terms of games naman po, siya po ay good for gaming na rin po. So good news po is gumamit na rin po tayo sa kanya ng Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 po. So mas ma-enjoy na po yung gaming experience natin. Available na po ito. Meron po tayong dalawang color po. Meron po tayong black and then stream white na rin po. For only 11,990.
Hi, I'm Christina Chua, and I have something to tell. Are you looking for a budget-friendly phone? Try to consider our new Oppo A12 for only 6,990 pesos. This phone has 4 GB RAM and 64 GB internal. It has 4,230 mAh, and the camera has artificial intelligence dual rear camera. So, you're gonna love this phone. It has also fingerprint scanner and AI facial unlock for security purposes. Again, for only 6,990 pesos, you can have it now.